I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've been overcharged for an item on eBay, getting a refund can feel daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to navigate the process. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Find the order. Go to Purchase History under the My eBay menu. Locate the item you were overcharged for and click on it to view the order details. Step 3. Request a refund. Once you're reviewing the order details, look for the option that says Return this item or Request a refund. Click on it to initiate the refund process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information, including the reason for the refund request. Be clear and concise, mentioning the overcharge specifically. Step 5. Wait for seller response. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your eBay messages for a response from the seller. They usually have a few days to reply, and you may need to follow up if you don't hear back. If the seller doesn't respond, you can escalate the issue to eBay's customer service for further assistance. Good luck, and I hope you get your refund quickly.